Alright, now we move on to topic 9, rhetorical synthesis. So this seems like a lot. Rhetorical synthesis sounds like a complicated topic, but it's really not. Anytime they ask you a question like this, it's going to say, which choice most effectively uses info from the student's notes to accomplish the goal? Okay, and this seems a little bit weird at first because this has never been a question that was asked in the paper SAT, digital only pretty much. But it's pretty simple. So when we look at our steps here, we have read the question, then you read the answer choices, and this is important, you read the question first, okay? Because the question will give you important information, alright? In these cases, the rhetorical synthesis questions, they sound complicated. I would say objectively they are the easiest questions on the SAT. Okay, you eliminate clearly incorrect answers. This is a huge one for rhetorical synthesis because often a lot of the answers, at least 2 or 3 of them, are completely wrong. They're just completely wrong, they don't answer the question. Then, once you do that, once you eliminate questions, you're probably only left with 1 or 2 choices, okay? You're going to validate the info in the remaining answers, so you just read the passage, and that's when you actually read the passage, okay? And then you're going to choose one. Let's take a look at this example question. So when researching a topic, a student took the following notes. There's a bunch of notes. The student wants to emphasize a similarity. What choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish that goal? This is a similarity. They're both. Both. This is not even a similarity. Okay? We can just eliminate this one straight off the box. This one says unlike. Also not a similarity. I don't have to read the passage. I don't need to know who Charles Dickens is. I don't need to know who Tom Jones is, Henry Fielding, whatever. I can already tell you that these 2 choices are wrong because there's no similarity here. Completely wrong. So now I just need to figure out which one of these is correct. So let's take a look at picaresque novels or whatever. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Doesn't matter. Okay. This one says David Copperfield is a Bildungsroman. Well, only Tom Jones seems to be a picaresque novel. So A is wrong. We know it must be B. But let's see. Both of them focus on the adventures of their title characters. Let's see. David Copperfield is the main character. Grows, learns, changes from experience. We're focusing on the adventures of the title character. This one's also focusing on the adventures of its title character with the main character. So we know it's B. Again, these questions are super simple. You can often eliminate quite a few answer choices right off the bat without even reading. Make sure you use the answer eliminator in Blue Book when you take the SAT to just quickly eliminate those choices and get them out of your mind. And then you just need to read the passage, just skim them. You know, it's notes, it's bulleted notes. It shouldn't be hard to skim. So once you do that, you should be all set for these types of problems. Real quick, real easy.